Hi, I'm Lachlan and I'm the founder of Boxed. Today I'll be showing you how to assemble the single cookie box. They're available for purchase on our website. To assemble the box, ensure the gloss is face down. Start by folding all four sides of the box like this. This is the quickest and most simple way to fold the box. Now there's dotted lines which help you pull the corners in together. Pull the box with two hands like this and it forms the base. And just like that you have your base. The gloss is on the outside, which means you can wipe any buttercream. Now get your clear lid. And now you want to fold on the edges. Now get your clear lid and slide it onto the box like this. If you want to add your cookie, you can do this as well. Just remove the lid. Place your cookie into the base and slide it on. Of course you can add extra fillings on the inside and that finishes off the box.